Hey everyone, so the final Standard 12 math exam is breathing down our necks, and I know that pressure is probably building up like crazy. But what if you could walk into that exam hall feeling totally in control, with a clear strategic blueprint for success? Well, that's exactly what we're going to build together, right now. Look, if you're staring at your textbook just wondering, where do I even start? Then you're in exactly the right place. We're about to take all that pre-exam stress and turn it into pure confidence by creating a solid, actionable plan. A plan that comes straight from the official board documents themselves. All right, let's get into it. The real secret to acing this exam isn't just about grinding through problems for hours on end. It's about working smart. It's about knowing the structure of the test inside and out, knowing which questions pack the most punch, and how the whole paper is designed. Think of this as your secret weapon, your ultimate strategic advantage. Okay, first things first, we have to follow the marks. Let's break down the syllabus and figure out exactly where you should be putting in your precious study time to get the biggest bang for your buck. And here it is, the official unit-wise marks distribution from the Maharashtra State Board. You should think of this table as your treasure map. Seriously, it tells you exactly how many marks each chapter is worth, including the optional questions. This right here is the master list for your entire study plan. And when we visualize that data, check this out. It's so clear. The big three just pop right out: vectors, trigonometric functions, and line and plane. If you can really master these three chapters, you're already giving yourself a massive head start towards an amazing score. All right, so now we know what to study. The next question is, how are they going to test you on it? Understanding the difficulty level and, what the examiners are actually looking for can totally change how you prepare. Now, I want you to take a deep breath and look at this. A full 80%, 80 of the paper is designed to be either easy or average. That's huge. It means the exam isn't out to get you. It's designed to be totally manageable if you've got your foundation solid. So what are they really testing? Well, it's not just about memorizing formulas. Almost half the marks are for understanding the concepts. The rest is split between knowledge, your basic formulas and definitions, and application and skill, which is all about actually solving problems. So a balanced study approach is absolutely crucial. Every game has its rules, right? The math exam is no different. So let's do a quick breakdown of the different types of questions you're going to face, so there are absolutely no surprises on game day. The paper is designed to build up. You'll start with the quick 1-mark very short answers and the 2-mark MCQs. Easy wins. Then you'll move into the short answers, which require a bit more work. And finally, you'll tackle those heavy-hitting 4-mark long answer questions. Each one of these needs a slightly different strategy. And this, my friends, is where it all comes together. We are going to walk through the entire exam paper section by section so you know exactly how to manage your 3 hours for maximum impact. So here's the big picture. You get 3 hours to score 80 marks, and the paper is split into 4 distinct sections: A, B, C, and D. Knowing the structure of these 4 sections is everything. Let's start at the top with Section A. Think of Section A as your warm-up. It's worth a solid 20 marks, and it's a mix of multiple choice and very short answers. But here's the most important part. There is no choice here. You have to answer every single question. So the goal is to get in there, be accurate, and lock in those early marks fast. Next up, you've got Section B, worth 16 marks, and this is where your strategy really starts to matter. They'll give you 12 short answer questions, but you only have to attempt 8 of them. This is your first big chance to play to your strengths and pick the questions you know you can nail. Now we're at Section C, and this is the core of the paper. It's got the biggest weight, 24 marks. The structure is going to look familiar. It's just like Section B. Attempt any 8 questions out of 12. The difference? These are worth 3 marks each, so the choices you make here have an even bigger impact on your final score. And finally, we hit Section D, home of the big point long answer questions. This section is worth 20 marks. You have to attempt any 5 questions out of a total of 8. These are the 4 markers, the heavyweights. Picking the right 5 here is absolutely key to maximizing your score. So let's just quickly recap the blueprint. Number 1, focus your energy on the high-weight chapters, like vectors. Number 2, remember that 80% of the paper is easy to average. It's very doable. And number 3, use those choices in sections B, C, and D to your advantage. Hunt for the questions you feel most confident about. So there you have it. You now have the official map to navigate the STND 12th math exam. The code is cracked. The only question left is, where are you going to focus your energy first? Which high-scoring chapter are you going to master? Good luck, and go work smart.